Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a classic old-fashioned sweet potato casserole. I hope you guys are ready for this recipe. If you enjoy the recipe, please, I'm asking you to give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. I have everything here and I will leave the measurement below for you guys. I have pure vanilla extract, nutmeg and cinnamon, and also you will need a little bit of salt. I have 1 egg. You will also need butter and of course the sweet potatoes, and I will be using some evaporated milk and also dark brown sugar with the marshmallows, of course. Now let's begin. I'm going to start by cutting my sweet potatoes and I will be peeling them just like that. And by the way, I have a new lens, you guys. Let me know, how do you guys like it? I am loving it. As y'all can see, the improvement, the quality of this video is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to cut them into small pieces because I do want this to cook as fast as it can. So cut them small and we're going to wash them pretty quickly. Once you're done washing it, we're going to add it to the pot just like that, and we're going to add the water. The water, make sure it's above the sweet potatoes. Then you can turn on your stove and let it boil until it's nice and tender. Now, by the way, the pot I'm using is from a company on Amazon. I will leave the link below for you guys. They're so good to cook with. And here are the sweet potatoes. They're nice and tender. Time to use my hand mixer to mix them. Now you can use a potato masher to mash them, but I'm using a hand mixer. It'll come out so smooth, just how I like it. Now I'm going to add all the ingredients in. I'm adding the cinnamon, the nutmeg, salt. I just added the egg, and also I'm going to add the brown sugar, and also I added the pure vanilla extract and as well as the butter. And nothing more delicious when you're eating some sweet potato pie, sweet potato. You taste, you kind of smell and taste that nice buttery flavor in there. It's the best. I don't know what it is about sweet potatoes. Anything that has sweet potatoes in it, I'm here for it. Okay, I just love the taste of sweet potatoes. Now I'm going to add my evaporated milk. Of course you can use whole milk, but I like to add that nice creaminess with, I feel like the evaporated milk will add that nice creaminess to it, so that's why I use it. Once you're done, it's nice and creamy. We're going to take our baking dish, we're going to butter it up just like that, and we're going to add in the potato puree right in. Now I'm going to bake this on 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until your marshmallows are nice and melted and ooey gooey on top. Oh my gosh, it's the best. I hope you guys actually try this out for Christmas. I didn't have a chance to make it on Thanksgiving, but now y'all can make it for Christmas. It's so easy. It has the best flavor ever, and it's a nice little dessert after a nice Christmas meal, okay? Christmas dinner. So this is it. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to give the video a thumb. I just love it. So good and so sweet. The best. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up for me if you enjoy it. And also leave a comment down below what you think about this recipe, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.